Alright, so this video is going to be a bit weird, but have somewhat importance. This is my girlfriend, Courtney.
Hi.
She's been in multiple videos now at this point.
This is my channel now.
Pretty much. One thing that we always talk about as a couple is what it's like to get married and, all the wedding stuff. Personally, I don't care what happens at our wedding, just as long as we get married. You don't look too happy. But there is one small thing I would like to have in our wedding, just one small little detail. You may have noticed in your parents' wedding tapes, VHS tapes, whatever, is that the part that gets played the most is when they say, "You may now kiss the bride," and then it kisses and that happens. That's it. It's what, maybe 2-3 seconds?
Yeah.
What we're gonna try to do is we're gonna stretch that out to maybe a minute or a few minutes or so. So we're gonna kiss and then we're going to see how it looks in various frames and see if there's anything going on behind it or if it's just gross looking and it's not going to change after 1,000. Yeah, I also figured I would do this video as well because it's our anniversary is right around the corner, and I posted my first video and made the channel. I think I made the channel or posted my first video on our anniversary. So that's why this is a bit strange for a 1-year video. 4 years we've been together.
You're telling me.
We're gonna get everything set up and record at 1,000 frames and gonna see how it looks. Now there's something I noticed at 1,000 frames. It's our lips kind of like the sticky hands. They kind of do that. And I wonder if our lips do that. So that was at 1,000 frames. Let's go to 5,000, slow it down, see if there's actually any sort of science behind it, and see if it just looks cool or extremely, extremely gross.
Probably extremely gross.
Yeah. Yeah, I just realized this is gonna be really windy, really windy. Antonio has the lobs, he's obviously putting them to good use. All right, so that was pretty gross, and I noticed that our lips kind of stick together.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna slow it down to 10,000 frames, and we're gonna see how that looks. Alright, we had to move back a little bit. Sun's starting to go down, the tree behind us isn't working with us. So this will now be the max resolution of 24,000 frames at 640 by 96 or something. Really bad quality, but I have a feeling it's just gonna look like 10K but slower. This might not even be worth it. 10K might have been its peak. Well, that was disgusting. Your thoughts?
Those are my thoughts.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed this very disgustingly, somewhat maybe cute slow-mo. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know what I'll be doing next in slow-mo, but it'll probably be something that won't get age restricted maybe immediately. I don't know if it will. But until then, see you next time. You have any final words? Those aren't words.
Bye.
There we go.